Good morning, Adventures, my fellow creators, bloggers, content creators. This is an update, follow-up update about pruning our male papaya. Okay, this is it. We prune this male papaya. This is a top pruning. So hindi naman siya namatay. Okay naman, na ganun lang siya, na ano lang siya, na-produce siya ng mga dahon yan, mga sanga-sanga dyan. So tingnan natin if ever magbunga ito, magbunga, maging babae, maging transgender ito. From male to female papaya. Yan. This papaya is almost 2 feet lang yung kanyang height. On the ground. Okay. By the way, we have spotted another male papaya. Okay, we will go there. Okay, this is in our garden, our backyard garden, we have another male papaya here. Okay, you see this. You see that? That's a male papaya. So it flowers from the ground almost 2 feet. Nag-produce na siya ng male papaya na bunga. So hindi muna natin yan itatap pruning. We will not top pruning this. We will observe first yung kanina, yung first male papaya na hindi top prune na top prune. So, pinutol natin yung taas. Yan yung top pruning na male papaya. I-observe muna natin yon. I-clarify and check if maging female papaya yon, mag-transgender yon. And then we will, after that, itong another male papaya, we will top prune this also, para hindi naman masayang yung pagtanim natin. Mag-produce din siya na maging, if ever, maging female papaya. Okay? Please subscribe and like and subscribe, and so that we will have to I will update you on the next chapter of this transgender, turning a male papaya into a female papaya. Thank you and mabuhay!